Hello and welcome to Digital Dollars. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification so you never miss out on our wealth building advice. Let's dive into the exciting world of passive income. If you're ready to embark on the journey of building a steady stream of passive income, you're in for a treat. Today, we've compiled a list of the best passive income ideas for beginners to kickstart your financial freedom. Number 10. Automated online businesses. For those seeking a more hands-off approach to online business, automated ventures like dropshipping or print-on-demand can be ideal. Dropshipping involves selling products without keeping them in stock. When a customer places an order, the product is directly shipped from the supplier to the customer. Similarly, print-on-demand allows you to create and sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without having to manage inventory. These business models leverage third-party suppliers to handle production, inventory, and shipping, allowing you to focus on marketing and customer service. With automated online businesses, you can generate income with minimal daily involvement, giving you the freedom to explore other opportunities and passions. Number 9. YouTube channel and AdSense revenue. If you enjoy creating videos and have engaging content to share, starting a YouTube channel can be a rewarding endeavor. As you build a substantial subscriber base and attract a large number of views, you can monetize your channel through Google AdSense. AdSense allows you to display advertisements in your videos, and you earn revenue based on the number of ads, views, and clicks. To maximize your AdSense earnings, focus on producing high-quality and engaging content that resonates with your audience, as this will attract more viewers and increase ad interactions. Number 8. Invest in index funds. Investing in index funds is a smart way to diversify your investment portfolio and achieve broad market exposure. Index funds are mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that aim to replicate the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. By investing in index funds, you spread your money across a wide range of companies and industries, reducing the impact of individual stock fluctuations on your overall returns. This strategy is suitable for both novice and experienced investors, as it provides a low-cost and relatively passive approach to investing. Index funds are considered a safer and more stable long-term investment option, making them an excellent choice for those looking to grow their wealth steadily over time. Number 7. Display ads on a blog or website. If you have a blog or website with a significant amount of traffic, you can monetize it by displaying ads. One of the most popular ad networks is Google AdSense, which allows you to display relevant ads on your site. You earn revenue when visitors click on the ads or when the ads receive impressions, views. The key to maximizing ad revenue is to create valuable and engaging content that attracts a steady flow of visitors to your site. Additionally, consider the placement of the ads to ensure they don't disrupt the user experience while still being visible to your audience. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based strategy where individuals promote products or services and earn commissions on successful referrals. By joining affiliate programs or networks, such as Amazon Associates or ClickBank, you can choose from a vast array of products to promote in your niche. When someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you receive a commission. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to generate passive income, especially if you have a blog, website, or active social media presence with a substantial following. By selecting products that align with your audience's interests and needs, you can create a win-win situation, providing value to your audience while earning income from your referrals. Number 5. Create and sell digital products. If you have expertise in a particular field or a talent for creating valuable content, consider designing and selling digital products. Digital products can include ebooks, online courses, software, graphics, or templates, among others. With platforms like Gumroad or Teachable, you can easily set up an online store and reach a global audience. The advantage of digital products is that they can be created once and sold repeatedly, providing a scalable source of income without the need for physical inventory. Marketing and promoting your digital products to your target audience can help drive sales and generate a steady stream of passive income. Number 4. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding has become an increasingly popular way to invest in properties without the need for significant capital. Through crowdfunding platforms, individuals can pool their funds with others to invest in real estate projects, such as residential or commercial properties. Investors can choose from various properties and receive passive rental income from the collected rent or potential profits when the property is sold. This method allows individuals to diversify their investments across different real estate projects, reducing risks associated with investing in a single property. Real estate crowdfunding provides an accessible entry point to the real estate market and is suitable for those seeking a more hands-off approach to property investment. Number 3. Dividend-paying stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is a popular way to earn a regular income stream from company profits. Dividends are payments made by companies to shareholders as a share of their earnings. Dividend-paying stocks are often from stable and mature companies with a history of consistent profits. Investors can choose to reinvest the dividends or receive them as cash payouts. While dividend stocks can provide a reliable income stream, they also offer the potential for capital appreciation over the long term. It's crucial to research the companies and their dividend policies to make informed investment decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Number 2. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer, P2P, lending platforms provide an opportunity for individuals to lend money to other individuals or small businesses, cutting out traditional financial intermediaries like banks. As a P2P lender, you can choose the borrowers and loan amounts based on their credit profiles and risk levels. In return, you earn interest on the repayments made by the borrowers. P2P lending allows you to diversify your investment portfolio and potentially earn higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts. However, it's essential to carefully evaluate the risks and consider diversifying your investments across multiple borrowers to mitigate potential losses. Number 1. High-yield savings accounts. High-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs, are a secure and low-risk option for individuals looking to earn interest on their money. These accounts are typically offered by banks and financial institutions and offer higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts. The funds deposited in these accounts are insured by the government, providing an added layer of safety. While the returns may not be as substantial as riskier investment options, high-yield savings accounts are an excellent place to park your emergency funds or save for short-term financial goals. Congratulations! You've just unlocked the top passive income ideas for beginners. If you found this video helpful in kickstarting your passive income journey, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with other aspiring wealth builders, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable financial insights. Remember, with dedication and smart investments, you can build a sustainable stream of passive income and achieve your financial goals.